Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on the Redmi A3 Pro. To connect to Wi-Fi, go to Settings. Then go to Wi-Fi. Then make sure that Wi-Fi is enabled, and now you can choose a network you want to connect to. Click on it, then enter its password if it's secured by a password. Then tap on Connect. If the password was correct, it should connect you to the network. So it should be on blue background and will display the Wi-Fi icon on the status bar on the top of your screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.